Continue getting you the latest as far as Jaya's health condition is concerned. But moving on now, on the third anniversary of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, my colleague Parveena gets us this reality check from a slum cluster in the national capital where women are still forced to defecate in the open. Take a look. 14-year-old Shabnam lives in one of the slums of Delhi along with her teenage sisters. It's become a daily habit for them to walk 3 kilometers every single day to a dense forest to defecate. Sometimes they're forced to venture out in the dark amidst the dense trees to answer nature's call.
पानी लाने में दिक्कत होती है। एक दो मीटर किलो दूर चल के जाना पड़ता है। पहले पानी लेके आते हैं, उसके बाद 3 किलोमीटर दूर जाना पड़ता है शौच के लिए। दूर भी पड़ता है बहुत, और अकेला जाने में भी डर लगता है। कीड़े मकोड़े रहते, चढ़ जाते, हाथ फुला देता है।
This is the story of not just Shabnam and her sisters, but every single woman in the slum cluster. For mothers, it's a constant fear that their young daughters could be raped or kidnapped any day while they go to the forests. These little girls' bodies are also filled with rashes because of the insects that bite them when they enter these densely wooded areas.
लड़की को भी डर लगता है, साथ में जाने पड़ता है जी। अगर नहीं जाएंगे तो लड़की कोई लेकर भाग जाएगी, क्या करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, सांप काटेंगे बिच्छा काटेंगे, कोई पता नहीं।
This is how nearly 60% of Indians live. No access to toilets, no money to even build one in their homes. On the third anniversary of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, these women have only one demand from the Modi government: to build toilets in their slums so they no longer have to put their lives at risk simply to defecate.
There are 1,000 Shabnams in the national capital for whom basic facility like toilet is still a challenge. They still have to use these dens, a jungle, to use or to go for toilet. 2 years ago, something called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was initiated, and they ensured that they will give more toilets and proper sanitation. Now, the key question is if something has really changed on ground. With camera person Parmender, this is Parveena for India Today.